Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add the emoji slider on your Instagram story. The emoji slider is a fun, interactive feature that lets you ask questions and get feedback from your followers. Here are the steps. First, open Instagram and tap on the Your Story button in the top left corner of the screen. This will open your camera roll. Choose the picture or the video you want to add to your story. You can take a new photo or video, or choose from your camera roll. Next, tap on the stickers icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a selection of stickers you can add to your story. Scroll down until you see the slider sticker and tap on it. This will add the slider to your story. Type your question in the text box and choose your emoji from the options below. You can customize the colors of the slider by tapping on the colorful circle at the top of the slider. Now you can move the slider around and change its size to fit your story. You can also add other stickers or text to your story to make it more engaging. The emoji slider is a great way to engage with your followers and get feedback on your content. You can use it to ask questions, get opinions, or just have fun with your audience. It's important to note that the emoji slider is only available on Instagram stories, not on regular posts. You can also see the responses to your emoji slider by swiping up on your story. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can easily add the emoji slider to your Instagram story. By doing so, you can engage with your followers and make your stories more interactive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips like this one. Thanks for watching.